14-year-old boy leaves his village and comes to the big city. Not a rupee in his pocket, but his dreams massive. He tells himself, one day I'll become a great man and build a big business. He works hard, really hard. From cleaning shops to selling on the streets, he does it all. Years pass, and now that boy is 30 years old. When he looks back, he sees a journey of struggle, hustle, and growth. He is now the proud owner of 4 factories. He feels ready. It's time to get married. A year later, he has a child. Life is beautiful. He thanks God. You've given me everything I ever dreamed of. But then, at 40, life hits him hard. He is diagnosed with cancer. He's shaken. I built all this, earned so much, but what's the point if I may not live to see it? His heart aches most for his 9-year-old son. He's too young. How will he take care of the business? How do I prepare him when I don't even know how much time I have? Then, one morning, he calls his son. Son, today, I'm giving you a challenge. Will you accept it? Yes, Dad. Tell me what I need to do. The father hands him a big box. Lift it. The boy tries, but it's heavy, too heavy. Still, he's told, you can't look inside. You have 3 hours. Increase the value of whatever's in this box and bring it back. The boy steps outside, opens it. It's wheat. He thinks, how do I make this worth more?
Dad, I turned the wheat into flour. I increased its value. His father nods, smiling, but silently thinking, he's only just begun. Next morning, another challenge. Increase the value of what's inside again. The boy opens it. It's the same flour. Now what? He thinks, flour can become bread. He goes to a nearby bakery. Uncle, can you make bread from this flour? Keep half, just give me the rest. The baker agrees. The boy gets 8 packets of bread. He returns, proud. Dad, I turned the flour into bread. I did it again. His father is happy, but still waiting for that one moment. Music shifts again, more upbeat, determined. Third morning. Today, don't just increase the value, multiply it by 5 times. Here are 4 bread packets. Go. The boy steps out, thinking deeply. Bread can become sandwiches. He goes to a famous restaurant. Sir, can you use these to make 4 sandwiches? Keep all the bread. I just need 4 sandwiches. The owner, touched by the boy's sincerity, agrees. He packs them nicely, branded, premium. The boy returns. Dad, those 4 packets of bread were worth 100 rupee. Now, I've brought 4 sandwiches, worth 800 rupee. Did I complete the challenge? His father smiles, tears in his eyes. Yes, son, you've learned what business truly is. From tomorrow, come to my office after school. Narrator, and what can we learn from this story? Lesson 1. Business is about multiplication. Success isn't just about working hard. It's about increasing the value of what you have. Lesson 2. Increase your personal value. As long as you remain like raw wheat, you won't be valued. Wheat turned into flour. Flour became bread. Bread became sandwiches. That's evolution. That's growth. Everyone is born with 2 hands, 2 feet, and 1 brain. But how far you go, whether you stay wheat or become a sandwich, depends only on you. Remember, if you want to grow, start today. Learn new skills, increase your value, and keep evolving. If this story inspired you, share it with your friends. And never forget, your journey has only just begun. Thank you.